Amen.
Please seated. Please be seated.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please pass the yellow paper for your attendance class. So, our topic for today is about marking tools. So, first is the objective. So, at the end of this lesson, the students are expected to identify the proper use of the different marking tools, demonstrate on how to use the marking tools, and show appreciation of the topic through participation. So, who has an idea what is the marking tools? Anyone? Princess.
So, marking tools are made to transfer notations or designed for use while reading or sewing.
Okay. So, marking tools, the first here is chalk pencil and dressmaker pencil. So, I have some picture here. I will show it to you. Then, you can post it. I will call one by one your name. Then you can post it here in the visual aids app. So, JC,
Ma'am.
choose one, then indicate here in visual aids. Yeah. This is yes, Bianca.
Okay, I'm just happy.
So, chalk pencil or dressmaker, nakita lang siya.
Yes,
So, used to make fine line on the fabric. So, ginagamit mo siya is for the line talaga. For making a line in the fabric, yung parang pattern transfer to the fabric, then
May outing, ma'am.
yeah. Tapos,
Ma, pwede siya
so, the next is the liquid marking pen. So, anyone, Bianca, choose here, where's the liquid marking pen here? Yes, Bianca, it's you! Yeah, that is your teacher. Yeah! Very good, Bianca! So, this is the liquid marking pen. That mark should be removed before pressing the fabric. If you're using this liquid marking pen, if you wash out, nawawash out na siya sa fabric. So, unlike siya sa ibang mga pen na permanent yung mga ink niya. So, next is Princess. Choose some picture here, the wax chalk. Thank you, Princess. So, these are the wax chalk. So, similarity siya sa Taylor's chalk. I don't have a picture of Taylor's chalk, but I know it. So, ano naman sa inyo. So, wax chalk, this is available in black and white. Pero iba-ibang color siya dito, no? According to my research, is black and white lang siya. So, and it used for the woolen fabric. Woolen fabric is yung mga fabric na more than on feather siya, made by the skin of animals. Yung, yeah, for the weather of cold weather siya. So, another is the Taylor's chalk. So, similarities na siya dito sa wax chalk. Same na siya. It's essential as used as marker for use on materials. So, ginagamit pa rin po siya sa fabric is one of the marking tools pa rin siya. So, Eleanor, can you please choose here the tracing wheel? tracing wheel. Tracing wheel, there are two types of serrated edges and smooth edges. Tracing wheel is if you transfer the pattern of the fabric, we use the carbon paper and then the tracing wheel. So, basic na lang siya para ma-attach siya sa fabric. So, the last one is the carbon paper or dressmaker carbon paper. Ito na siya. Mag-partner to sila dalawa. Okay, class? Are you listening?
Yes, teacher.
It's a wax carbon paper that transfer the tracing wheels marking to the fabric. So, that's all our topic for today. So, for your assignment, I want you to analyze and identify what is the uses of these marking tools and where and when did the marking tool uses. That's all. So please stand everyone. So goodbye class.
Goodbye. Thank you, teacher.